Here's how to automatically accept request on Instagram. So the first thing that you're going to do, as you can see that there is still a request to follow on your Instagram account. So for you to be able to actually accept that automatically, go to your profile icon, select the three-line button that you can see at the upper right, scroll down and go to the account privacy, and then afterwards go ahead and turn off the toggle button on the private account. Once you have already turned it off, everything that on your profile will be on public, and then everyone can go ahead and follow you without you accepting or clicking on the confirm button. It means that the followers that will follow you will automatically follow your account. And then once you're already decided, click on the switch to public button. And then afterwards, you can now go ahead and go back to the dashboard or to the wall of your Instagram. And as you can see, the follower has now automatically followed you and you don't have to click on the confirm options.